Hello everyone, this is Subhata. Hope you all guys are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to make something very interesting, and that is DIY magic book. And this video is going to be very unique and uncommon. So please watch this video right till the end. And now, without any further ado, let's get started. Thanks for watching the video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, just hit the subscribe button and also give us a like in this video. And if you have enjoyed this video, let me know by leaving a comment down below. Stay tuned and be creative. Bye bye.